Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com, and I got another MRE that Nathan's MRE sent me. So big shout out to Nathan's MRE. Put a link to his channel in the description. So we've got a menu number 8 beef patty. I did a little research. This actual menu was produced from 2002 to 2008, and in 2009 it was replaced with the meatball marinara. So, no date code on the outside. It says it has a peelable seal. Let's see if we can peel it. All right. So, sorry about that, banging the camera. So, first thing we have is a Western style beans. And this has a production date of the 220th day of 2006. Got the nacho cheese pretzels, the accessory bag, we'll get into that in a minute. And of course we've got the MRE spoon we're not going to use because we have the ForeignMRE.com spork. Lemon lime beverage powder. Got a wheat snack bread. We've got 2 of the wheat snack breads. We have the barbecue sauce. We've got the cheese spread with bacon. Don't know if this is going to be any good or not. It's kind of hard. Maybe we'll warm it up, see how that works out. Then we've got the flameless ration heater, a water bag, and we have the beef patty. It says it has 140 calories in. It's not real heavy. It says 2.5 or 2.6 ounces. We've got the accessory bag or accessory pack. Got the matches. Got an iced tea drink. Wow, that sounds pretty good. Got a wet nap. Package of salt. Got some tissues. Small bottle of Tabasco. And the gum. And that's it. So be right back. Let me get a tray. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the Western style beans and the beef patty and maybe one of the snack breads in the flameless ration heater, if it'll fit. Wow, this seems kind of hard. Okay. And here's the beef patty. Not a whole lot to it. It's kind of soft. That's good. So let me see if I can get all this into the flameless ration heater. Okay, give me just a second. Let me get this all in there and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. I've got everything in there. I've got the black beans. I've got the ration heater in. So let's add a little water. Hopefully this flameless ration heater will work. Okay, let's get it mixed up in there, and we'll see if that works. Okay, feels like it might be working. So I'm gonna put this back in the sleeve, and then I'm also going to put the cheese inside, and then we'll watch that for just a second and make sure that it's actually heating up. Smells like it's starting to take off. Oh yeah, it's starting to get warm on the cardboard. So I couldn't fit the slice of bread in, so I'm going to set it on the bottom. We'll set this off to the side here, and hopefully that flameless ration heater will do really good. All right, let's start with the drinks. Got the iced tea drink, lemon flavored. Says to mix with 6 ounces of water. So that's our drinks. Okay, I went ahead and added the salt. The flameless ration heater had a little bit of steam coming off, but I added the salt, and man, look at it now. It really took off. This whole thing is just hot, very hot. And I was able to squeeze in the bread, so I've got the 2 entrees, the bread, and the cheese spread. But man, look at that thing going now. Okay, I'm gonna give it about 5 more minutes. Okay, we're back. The flameless ration heater, it was working pretty good. I went ahead and put the salt in, and man, it really took off. So here's what we have. We've got the beef patty. Wow, that smells super good. Then we've got the black beans, and man, these are really, really hot. And they're still a little bit wet. Then we can get these out without burning our fingers too much. Can you see the steam coming off of that? Wow. That flameless ration heater worked really well. And there's still quite a few more beans in there. And then I was able to get the bread in. I don't know if that really makes a difference or not. And then I also have the cheese spread that was in there. So let's start off with one of the cheese pretzels. Very good. Then we had the black beans. And it's really good. And then we've got the beef patty. And it just absolutely smells great. It's very good. Then we've got the cheese sauce. And I'm thinking probably make like a cheeseburger with the 2 slices of bread. Maybe that's what it was intended for. Let's give it a try. Now this is the cheese with bacon. Yeah, tastes pretty good. So let's get a little bit of the cheese out. See if we can spread that. Still not real pliable. Why don't we do this? Why don't we break this in half? Just make like a small cheeseburger. And we'll put the other half on top. So we have a little cheeseburger. Let's see how that tastes. Wow. That is the way to do it. That tastes, that is very good. Let's try a little bit of the barbecue sauce. I'm surprised making this sandwich, the burger, how well that really tastes. So we got a piece of the beef patty with some barbecue sauce. Really good. let's try it with a little bit of Tabasco sauce. That is really good. And let's try a little bit of cheese in the beans too. Cheese looks to be like an off color, but it tastes perfectly fine. So let's try some cheese with the beans. Absolutely perfect. And what I really like is this cheeseburger. So let's try our lemon lime drink. That taste, it doesn't taste like Gatorade. It's got a real strong lime flavor to it. In my opinion, it's better than Gatorade. And then let's try the lemon flavored iced tea. Man, I have to say, this is a 10. So we've got the iced tea, that's a 10. The lemonade is well beyond a 10. We've got the cheese pretzels, they're a 10. We've got the beans. And let me try the beans with a little Tabasco sauce. Yeah, I give the beans a perfect 10 with the Tabasco and the cheese. The beef patty by itself, excellent. A 10. It's just full of flavor. With the cheese on it, it's way above a 10. And then when I made the cheeseburger, man, this was just out of sight. The cheese, it tastes good. It's a little discolored. And then the barbecue sauce, it's really good. So the only thing left is the wet nap. And I'm really surprised how good this meal is. I guess that's why it was around from 2002 to 2008. But it was really good. These wet naps, not that good. So I want to give a big shout out to Nathan's MRE for sending me this ration and giving me the opportunity to review it. And as always, you can get your fresh discounted ration. You can't get this ration. We only sell foreign rations. But you can get your fresh discounted ration at ForeignMRE.com.